Hi everyone, welcome to RGI Easy Sewings. We started this channel for persons who have registered for Royal Globe Inc. sewing program and who will just need a refresher just to help them to remember what was taught at a particular class. But of course, anybody who wants to know anything about sewing is welcome to join us and just to learn as much as you can about sewing from the sessions that we will have. So that being said, let's get ready for today's session. Come on, let's have fun. Hi everyone, it's time for another session of RGI Easy Sewings. Today we are going to show you just how to properly thread your sewing machine. Come on, let's do this. This is a domestic sewing machine. The good thing about threading a domestic sewing machine is that it has all of the parts named, as well as there are numbers showing you exactly how you should go with your thread. So I'm just going to start right now, and remember what I said, there are numbers, so I'm going to go in the order of the numbers. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and when you go to 5, you will notice just how the direction is there. So it goes, there's a line, it goes across and then it goes down. That's an indication that you need to go around and into something. Okay, so we do that right there, and then we come down, and all of these areas that you see I'm passing the thread are basically thread guides. Often there is one more thread guide very close to the needle, so that basically keeps the thread in place, and then I go through the needle. And that's it. The top of my machine is threaded. There are times when some persons have trouble threading the eye of the needle, so I want to show you two alternative methods that you can use for that. Some needles or some machines come with a threader, and that is this part right here. So notice it's up and I'm bringing it down, and on the threader there is a hook that you would put into the eye of the needle. Once you do that, you're taking the thread and you're going under into the hook and you release. Not all sewing machines have a built-in needle threader, and then in such cases you can use these needle threaders, which you can find at most fabric stores. What you are going to do, you go through the eye of the needle with the threader. You put the thread through the eye of the needle threader and you pull. Now we're going to thread our bobbin case. So I place my bobbin into the bobbin case, ensuring that everything is flat, nothing is higher, no part is higher than the other, and there's a groove right there. I'm going to place my thread, as you can see, into the groove, and notice that I am pulling my thread in one direction and the bobbin turns in another direction. Okay, once we have done that, you can hold your thread just to make it happen easier for you, and I'm going to turn my hand wheel, and that will cause my top thread to take up the bottom thread. You can see that I have it here, and once I have the two threads together, I'm going to take them and pass them behind, or pass them through the groove on my presser foot and put them to the back. Having done that, I can now cover my bobbin case and I am ready to sew. So thank you everyone for watching this video. I trust that you learned something, and if you did, like, subscribe and leave a comment below, and we will see you next time. Bye.